Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Credit Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1162P. 49,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Bright white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission. Don't forget about those paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Upgraded Quadra-Track 2 4-wheel drive system. Includes 4 low. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.